Today we start in the woods. And from there, we go down a hill rapidly. We come to a little nice town. We have a crossing again. This time we go right. Have nice landscape in the fields. A little bit of wheat. And another nice run. Good morning. Today is a day from outside the woods, through the fields, I hope you can enjoy it. It is quite nice. You see left and right here on this way are things in Germany, they are called Brennnesseln, they are nettles. So if you stroll around here and you don't have a trouser or anything, be careful because it can burn. Quite nasty, which you probably don't want. Again, absolutely nice, gorgeous landscape. It is about 20 degrees centigrade. And it is nice. If you looked our other bike video, you can see how we climbed the hill. And now you can see how we go down from the hill. And it is very steep here. So I congratulate myself by being able to drive it up here. It will be good for my legs. Probably also for circulation, for getting a lot of oxygen. And the air here is really, really, really good. I lived in many big cities of the world, and big cities are nice, but they mostly have a problem, which is pollution. So the whole day you breathe exhaust gases, things like that. Oh, there is a butterfly flying with us. I don't know if the camera could catch it, but there was a butterfly flying with us. Which was very cool. So now we go on a public road again, looking left and right that nothing is coming. And then show you the very, very nice little villages here along this bike route. On the left side there are some plum trees you see standing on the street. On the right side here it's wheat. Next one will be corn, but that's in its infancy. It would be too cold to plant it earlier. But it's nice. It's nice, it's very picturesque. It's good for the soul. And as always, it's also a good exercise. It looks like it's a kind of a well. Let's check. Yeah, it looks kind of a well to me. It's nice. Rural German landscapes. Not from the tourism prospects, but from really biking on the road, which gives you a much better impression if you are a bike enthusiast or a nature enthusiast or just want to hear me bubbling and brobbling along. If you don't like this bubbling and brobbling, there is a possibility to make it quiet. But I hope you like it. So, again, very nice landscape. I love it. We don't try to go left here. Maybe the next one will also go left, but I'm not sure. But I think so. So we see. Little bit adventure. But green grass, wheat, and this, yeah, just, it's nice. Especially as it goes a little bit downhill, which doesn't need me to work on the bike, which can be a rest bite from time to time. Yes, we can go left here, that's perfect. What we will do. Yeah, a lonely tree on the hill. Dun, dun, dun. Don't worry, I'm not starting to sing. Ah, but ahead again, you see a nice feature. I don't know if you remember that from last time. I will stop here for a moment. So this is a solar energy plant. The black thing a little bit further. And here on the right, you see something very nice that is fresh wheat, if you love your bread. It could also be rye, I'm not so sure. But as I'm gluten intolerant, it doesn't matter much. It's bowls containing gluten. So I think I go a little bit more ahead. Ooh, yeah. I mean, I love it, you spending your time with me. Biking here through the rural German fields. I can entertain you and I can have a bit of sport. So it's beneficial for both of us. I mentioned it also in my other videos. Just let me a little bit know what you like to see here from Germany. And I'm very, very happy to give you what you like and to make some nice videos about that. If it is like a horse stable or a cow stable or cows on the meadow, or you know, you just have to tell me and then I will try my best to achieve it. So now I think I'm back on the way which I came. At least I hope so. It would be nice. But again, perfect light. Very, very, very nice. Area, landscape, picturesque. I don't know how you call it. Maybe you have a better idea to describe it. Again, leave it in the comments. Would love that. Yeah, it's nice. Can even hear the birds. You can even tell me if I should make more stops and show you things. I'm happy to oblige. Now I have to go back to the road. So, thank you very much to be on my channel, to look this video. I love it. I love you. See you again. Bye bye.
Thank you for watching for my videos, and if you like it or you have any opinion or any question, please don't forget to leave the comment or press like to give me a support, or even subscribe for me as well. And in case that you're interested, please look for my other videos. Thank you very much and see you for the next time. Bye bye.